Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack Pokemon Go. Yeah, this is the application. Yeah. So, first, you need an application. Fly GPS. Yeah, it's available on Play Store. Like, yeah, Fly GPS. Search. Yes, that's the one. Open it. And now, yeah, say yes. I want to be right here. Yes, there in Texas. I can change, I can go wherever I want, but I'll choose the location. My current location is India. So, like, click on the location, then GPS service run, joystick, location mode, Pokemon. Yeah, the service will start. Now, all you need to do is launch your Pokemon Go. Right, it's opening. Yeah, that's the name, company. Alright, come on. Yeah, this version is quite fast. So now I'm just sitting at home. See, this is the white, I mean, the water body which we could see. Yeah, so let's just visit this bookstop. Alright, my bag is full. This too. Yeah, but I'll get some XP. Yeah. And now, as you can see, I can use the joystick to roam. Say now, let's go ahead. Alright. Now, just for proof, I'll just walk through this river. So, as to show that it's really the joystick and not me who's moving. Now, behind. And to the right. Wait, let's wait for the ghastly. Yeah, that's the Pokemon. Now left. Yeah, that's cool. Now it's all alright. Just update you about my Pokédex right here. Alright, yeah. Wait, let's go for the CP. My highest CP is a Pinsir, and I've got one of the 10 rarest Pokemons, Snorlax. Yes, that's his name. Alright. I have enough Stardust, but no candles. Alright. One of the YouTubers has bought this for $182. And I've just evolved it. Yeah, that's really cool. And I was going crazy when I found this Squirtle. Yeah, that's all about my Pokédex. You can just adjust the joystick wherever you want it to be placed. Now, for proof, let me just show you. As soon as I close this, I will be at some other destination because I am using the joystick to change my location. Alright. Yeah, there I've. Alright, so for another proof, as you can see, I started from this location and I've reached here. The joystick is moving my GPS location, and we can use this to hack Pokemon Go because it uses two things: internet service and GPS. We can't hack internet but the GPS, and so I'm here roaming about in the Sam Park, sitting in India. Wow! Thanks for watching. Give it a like.